Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, in this video I would like to present a novel about Copycat by Juanita Francesca. But before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Sasikirana Effendi and I'm from class 10 County. And now let's start the presentation. First, we have general classification. Copycat is a novel by Juanita Francesca, published on Wattpad. This story raises issues about identity, unfair competition, romantic relationships, and the dark side of human relationships in the work environment. Next, we have characters. In this novel, the characters are Prisa, a female graphic designer and the best employee at an IT game company called Frendera. Besides that, there is Gista, a female graphic designer who is often ostracized by the other employees in Frendera. Then there is Raihan, the CEO of Frendera and Gista's older cousin. Then Livi, the tomboyish vice CEO and Prisa's close friend. Next, Hannah, Prisa's teammate and close friend, and there's Tara, Prisa's senior, and Kevin, the front-end programmer. There's also Bagas, the CTO and Prisa's boss, and there's Steve, the CMO and Prisa's boyfriend, and last, Asa, the pizza delivery guy, recruiter, and investor. Next, we have main story. The main story of the novel is Prisa's life, where her whole style from clothes to hairstyle to spec style is copied by Gista and slowly pushes Prisa out of Frendera. Then we have complication. Prisa noticed that Gista was often ostracized by other employees. Feeling sorry for her, she slowly approached Gista, tried to talk to her and finally become friends. At first, there was nothing strange, but over time, Gista's introverted and shy nature turned into a pushover. If her wishes were not met, she would get angry. One day, when Prisa attended an event, Prisa lied to Gista, but unfortunately got caught, so Gista compared to her cousin, as known as the CEO of Frendera, Raihan, while exaggerating the problem. Since then, Prisa's reputation began to worsen, and she was shunned by other employees. At the same time, Gista started copying her entire style, from her clothes, hair, and even her speech. At one point, Gista stole Prisa's idea that she had been developing for a week, and did admit it, making her reputation even worse and making her even more stressed. Next, we have problem solving. Finally, Prisa told Asa everything about Gista had done. Hearing all the stories, Asa was forced to advise Prisa to leave the company because the social environment was unhealthy. But before she left, Asa wanted Prisa to teach Gista a lesson. Prisa finally agreed and they started making a plans. The next day when Prisa arrived at the office, she looked different. Her long hair was cut shoulder length, and she usually wore a blouse and skirt, and now she wore a leather jacket and jeans. She had changed her style. She immediately entered the meeting room where Raihan, Gista, and other employees were present. She immediately asked Raihan for her resignation, and it was immediately approved. But before she left, she went back to discussing Gista, who had stolen her idea and was immediately criticized by Raihan. Prisa was not afraid anymore. She gave evidence to Raihan and all the other employees. At first, Raihan still didn't believe her and defended his cousin. Prisa then proved other evidence and finally made Rayhan believe his cousin's behavior. Meanwhile, Gista was scared and immediately ran out of the room because he was caught. After the incident, Gista's reputation quickly deteriorated at Frangera, where Pisa left the company and lived with Asa. The moral message is be yourself. There is no need to become someone else just to gain attention. Be wise in choosing your friends because those who appear kind may not always have good intention. For conclusion, the novel of Copycat by Juanita Francesca presents a tense and emotional story about friendship, identity, and betrayal. Through the characters of Pilsa and Gista, readers are invited to see how good intention can be misused and how important it is to recognize boundaries in relationships. Alright everyone, that's all for my presentation. Please forgive me if I have said anything wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
On my way this season.